Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mitchell Oystacher, and in this video I'll be discussing with you guys some of the techniques that I use to trade in the markets and why trading overall is something that everybody should know. So to start off with, Yahoo Finance is the platform that I use to catch up on all the daily news and to figure out what sectors to attack on throughout the day. So when I first wake up in the morning, I try to get a good overview as to what's going on throughout the day and if anything serious is going on as well. And it also gives me a good, visual as to how the indexes are moving on the day as well. After figuring out the latest news, I would then go on to TradingView, which gives me the ability to look at all the different types of charts and all of the symbols that are out there. So TradingView lets you use all the different free indicators that it has, and I'll discuss with you guys later on with some of the indicators that I use. But firstly, I would like to discuss that TradingView is something that is very important that every trader should use. Getting a good visual as to how the stock is moving is something that is very important. You're able to draw trend lines, you're able to use the indicators to figure out the precise entries and exits on the stock. So some of the indicators that I use, one being the RSI. RSI is very simple to use and is also very effective. When the RSI is at its lowest point, it states that the stock is oversold, meaning that the stock will have to correct in the upwards direction. But when the RSI is too high, that means the stock is overbought and would have to dip back down. And this gives me a good understanding of when to buy the stock and when to sell it as well. It gives the trader a good, precise understanding as to how the stock is moving and just overall when the sheer volume is increasing and decreasing. Some of the other indicators that I use are the Bollinger Bands, Exponential MA, Simple MA, VWAP, RSI, and MACD. But I would like to say that the three main ones that I would recommend all new traders to use are the RSI, VWAP, and the volume. If every trader that is starting out is able to master these three indicators, they'll have a precise understanding of when to enter a stock, how the stock is moving, when it is losing momentum, and everything else. As I would like to say, guys, using all these indicators is the most beneficial thing that you could do when first starting out trading. But trading as a whole, everybody that is dealing with finance and just overall in general, people in the United States should know how to invest in the markets, and dedicating some time to trading and just understanding how the U.S. markets work and the different types of indicators and stocks in general will only benefit you guys in the future. And I would recommend everybody to dedicate some time throughout their day to understand all these different indicators, the definitions behind them, and just to recap on all the latest news that is coming out, because it will only affect you guys in the best way possible. I'll leave you guys a link in the description from my website, which discusses some of my personal experiences and some of the things that I have done in the market. And all I'd like to say is thank you guys for listening to this video. Please like and subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much.